Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, where we make tech simple and fun. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn off Android Auto on my Android. Whether you find it annoying when it automatically launches every time you plug into your car, or you simply don't use it, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let us dive in. If you want to disable Android Auto completely or just stop it from running, here's what to do. First, head over to your phone settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps or App Manager, depending on your device. From the list of installed apps, find and tap on Android Auto. Once you're in, you'll see options to either force stop it or disable it entirely. This will prevent it from running in the background or launching automatically. But if you'd rather keep Android Auto and just tweak how it behaves, you can customize it instead. First, tap the search icon in Settings and type Android Auto. Open it and scroll down until you see Additional Settings. There, you'll find some useful options, like whether it should start automatically when your phone connects to your car, or if it should launch while the phone is locked. If automatic launching drives you nuts, just toggle off Start Android Auto automatically. You'll also find options for things like starting music automatically and choosing when Android Auto activates, always, only if used during the last drive or according to your car's default setting. And that's it. Now you are in control. No more surprise launches or interruptions while you drive. If you found this tip helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more wireless solutions. Got questions or want us to cover something else? Drop it in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye for now.